Alright guys, I'm going to show you real quick how you can grow your Parler account and gain followers fast. So this is great. Let's just get into it. I won't even mess around. So here I am on my iPad. What I want to show you is Parler has some unique features that allow you to grow very fast. So the first thing you want to do is you want to find accounts with a lot of comments. So let's just we'll do a little search and find someone. So let me find someone for you real quick. Okay, so I did a search for InfoWars. You know, it's a pretty controversial. Doesn't matter what you think of them, but anyways, what's interesting about InfoWars is that they have 220,000 followers. So you can see that here. Now, they've just made a comment. So this is the trick to getting followers really quick. Okay. Find a post on a very popular page. So we'll do InfoWars. Notice this has 32 comments, and I'm going to circle this. So 32 comments. And then you can click Show Conversation. So click the Show Conversation. It's going to expand. And as you can see here, we have all of these comments. Now look, you have the ability to upvote them. An upvote is basically the same thing as an Instagram like. Okay? So watch. We're going to upvote every comment. So I should have mentioned, if you look at my followers, let's take a look at my followers before we get into this. I have 422 followers. Okay, so we're going to do this for about 15 minutes. So go back to your search or go back to your page, and here we're going to just upvote everything. Upvote, 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 upvote. You want to find the latest and the newest post, because anybody who comments is probably online right now, so they're in their app. Every time you upvote, you're basically sending a notification to that user who made the comment. In that notification is included a button to follow you. Okay, so think of this as alerting these users. You're sending alerts to their device, and every alert has that follow me button in it. Okay, so now I'm going to go down here. So this post here has 60 comments. So I'm going to show the conversation. We're going to expand it. Now look, this has 0 upvotes. We're going to upvote, 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 upvote. So do this for an hour. So okay, I've done this for a while. Let's see how many followers we've gained. And I've done this, I think it was about 5 minutes. So I'm going to go to notifications at the very bottom, and then I'm going to click followed at the top. Now look at this. 20 seconds ago, we got a new follower, we got a new follower, we got a new follower 1 minute ago, 1 minute ago, 2 minutes ago, 2 minutes ago, and then 15 minutes ago. So that's before. Now let's go look at the profile. So we're gaining followers just from upvotes. Now go back to the profile, take a look. So now we have 434 followers. We started with 422. Now can you imagine if you did this for an hour? What if you did it for 3 hours? It's very tedious, but it's a great way to grow your account, and you're going to get lots of followers. In the next video, I'm going to show you the next strategy that I use. One more strategy that works extremely well. So stay tuned, watch the next video, and we'll see you guys in the next video.